Hey guys, how to stop Snapchat from saving photos to camera roll. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat, right? Click the chat at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead, excuse me, not the chat, but click the avatar icon at the top left, right? Whether you are in the camera or in the chat. So I'm gonna click after I clicked my avatar icon, I'm gonna click the settings gear at the top and I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to find memories. Go ahead right here and click memories. And under save destination, you're gonna see save button save button button. So I'm gonna click the save button, right? And I can just disable the save button option by selecting memories, right? This way I'm gonna be able to just save all of my pictures, videos that I took on Snapchat in my memories, right? I won't be able to receive it on my camera roll as well. So automatically it will be saved on Snapchat, not on camera roll. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.